Hello friends. So in this session, we will be discussing a certain number of questions of civil engineering that had previously came in the papers of T and TRB. So first question, the degree of disturbance of soil sample is generally expressed by. So here the correct answer will be area ratio. Next question, the effective stress within a soil mass is mainly a function of. So here the correct answer is particle contact force. Question number 3. If 1% solution of a sewage sample is incubated for 3 days at 20 degrees centigrade and the depletion of oxygen was found to be 5 ppm, then the BOD of the sewage. So as you all know that the BOD formula is DO initial minus DO final into dilution ratio. So here the DO initial minus DO final is 5 ppm as given here. The dilution ratio is 1%, so 100 by 1. So if you multiply that, actually here if you take it as the answer is not here, if you take it as 3 ppm, then the answer will be 300 ppm. Okay, that was given in the paper, right? Next question, if the average daily consumption of water of a city is 1 into 10 to the power 5, this is to the power 5, maximum daily consumption of water will be, correct answer is 1.8. Next question, according to ISI recommendations, the maximum depth of stress block for balance section of a beam of effective depth D, that is given by 0.43 D. Okay. Next question, for ordinary Portland cement, the specific surface area is not less than. So here the correct answer will be 2250 centimeter square per gram. Next question, the provided super elevation is said to be equilibrium super elevation. So when do we say a super elevation to be an equilibrium? If E plus F we know equal to V square by 127 R, as you all know. Here the F will be equal to 0. So coefficient of friction is 0. Next question, which is the most efficient irrigation system? So we all know that the most efficient is drip because the losses are minimized in this type of irrigation system. Next question, what is the flexibility of a cantilever beam subjected to unit load at free end? So as you all know that flexibility is the inverse of stiffness. So for a cantilever beam with point load or unit load at free end, the stiffness is 3EI by L cube. Now over here it is inverse, so L cube divided by 3EI. Next question, eutrophication of water bodies is caused by. So eutrophication is always caused by excessive discharge. It is always caused by the excessive discharge of nutrients, not the discharge of toxic substance. Otherwise, the algae will not be able to grow. Next question, the drain which is provided parallel to roadway to intercept the and divert the water from hill slopes is known as catch water drain. Okay. Next question, the Nagpur road plan formula were prepared assuming a shape of. So here the correct answer will be star and grid pattern, as you all know the answer. The maximum slenderness ratio for members always in tension other than pretension member, the correct answer will be 400. Okay, that is the maximum one. And if you take any member, any tension member with dead load and live load or any load other than wind load and earthquake load, then the slenderness ratio will be 180. Next question, the highway bridges shall not be considered to be carrying any live load when the wind velocity at deck level exceeds. So here the correct answer will be 130 kmph. Next question, the maximum shear stress is equal to, as you all know, tau max, maximum shear stress is equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. So it is half of the difference of principal stresses. Next question, for base failure of a finite slope, the depth factor. So as you all know, depth factor DF is greater than 1 for base failure. The coefficient of earth pressure at rest for a sand having Poisson's ratio value 0.25, that will be given by mu by 1 minus mu. So here if it is 0.25, so that is given by 1 minus 0.25. So actually the value comes 0.25 divided by 0.75. So here 1 by 3 is the correct answer. Next question, water pressure inside water droplet is dash if the surface tension is sigma, diameter is T. So if you see water droplet, the surface tension and diameter is 4 sigma by D. Okay. Now this is because the water droplet have two surfaces in contact with air, one the outer surface and another the inner surface. So it will be 4 sigma by d. Next question. V is the design speed in kmph and T is the total reaction time, then the lag distance will be. So obviously the lag distance is 0.278 Vt. Alright. Next, the degree of compaction obtained in the field is measured by. So here the correct answer will be relative compaction. Okay. Next, so with this we have completed so many questions. So I hope these questions will be helpful for you all for your upcoming examinations, and these questions will help you assess what kind of preparation you do have. So if you like the video, then do press the like button, and if you want to subscribe our channel, do press the subscribe button and the bell icon also. Thank you for watching this video.